let's make a carrot cake in English. So first of all, I already peeled the carrots, but to peel the carrot, this is a peeler, okay? And I'm going to cut them and put them in the blender, into the blender. This is a blender, ok? Sabe aquele óleo, blend de óleo, porque é o liquidificador que ele mistura, um blend de óleos, uma mistura de óleos. Tá vendo, guys? Nicole, it's also knowledge. Let's cut them and put in there. Let me show you something, or let me show you someone. Oh gosh, this is the special ingredient. Ba 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 la 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 la. Yes. This is the special ingredient to make your carrot cake. Like, go. Oh my god, that's my cameraman. Right? Say bye. Dá tchau pro vídeo. Bye. Tchau, dá tchau. I just cut my finger. Can you see it? Oh gosh. I have the recipe here and I'm gonna get the ingredients. Wait a minute. We're gonna need oil, sugar, oh, wait a minute, flour, and yes. Oh my gosh, this flour is so fancy. And yes, it is the same pronunciation as flour. Flour and flour. Well, I think that's it. I have to take a look at the recipe right now. Wait a minute, guys. Oh, and most important, the cup. The most important. Okay, 3 carrots. Oh, eggs, guys. I forgot the eggs. Wait a minute. We're gonna need 4 eggs. We're gonna crack the eggs. Crack the eggs and put them into the blender, okay? And 1 cup of oil, but not 1 cup, almost. Like until here. You're gonna need more oil. Wait, I've got more. There, here we go. Like this. Yeah, okay, I think it's almost done. And to make this recipe, we're gonna need flour, sugar, carrots, eggs, oil, and willpower. Força de vontade. And I almost forgot something really important. 1.5 cups of sugar. And let me listen to the recipe.
Picar ela. Picou a cenoura,
Piquei.
você vai colocar no liquidificador.
Yes.
Vai colocar o óleo e vai colocar o uvo e
Eggs
açúcar.
and sugar.
Aí no liquidificador você vai bater.
Okay, got it. Let's go. 1.5 cups of sugar. So, okay, it's done. Okay, guys, after blending, I'm gonna put in the mixer and I'm gonna add flour little by little. I will gradually add flour, but and there are gonna be 4 cups of flour. Wait a minute. That's my first time trying to use this. Wait, I'll have to wash it first. Wait a minute. That's my first time trying to use this mixer. I hope it goes well and it works out. I hope so. So let's put it up. All right, so let's add 4 cups of flour. Tchau pra titia, dá tchau pro vídeo. Tchau.
Manda beijo.
Okay, guys, now I'm going to preheat the oven for 200 degrees for 10 minutes. So let me turn it on and wait a minute. Guys, now I'm gonna add the baking powder. Oh my gosh, powder, baking powder, and I'm gonna stir it gently. Oh god, this one was hard. I'm done making the cake, or I just finished making the cake. And this is a baking pan, or we can say a cake pan, okay? It's very good and very useful. I will also grease the caking pan. Grease, untar, very good, right? So I'm gonna tidy this up and grease the pan, wash the caking pan, and I'll be right back, guys. Wait. Alright, guys, way better right now, right? These dishes are gonna put into the dishwasher later because the dishwasher just finished working, but we ran out of water today, so I don't know. Let's make it. And right now I'm going to grease the baking pan. Oh gosh, I forgot the word. I'm gonna use a paper towel. Let me grab it. A paper towel and so I'm gonna use paper towel and butter. Okay, guys, I'm excited. Let's put it. Let's go, guys. Vai, mãe. Let's make it. Delicious, guys, right? Ooh, I'm excited. Let's go. Let's put into the oven. And the cake will be here in 3, 2, 1, and... Yeah, you guys, what do you think? It's so good. I love it. Let's try it. I hope it's good. But it is. I can feel it. I hope I didn't burn it. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh. Come here. Okay, it's not that fluffy, but it's good. I hope you liked my recipe. It's not my recipe. Menção honrosa, a receita da Dona Eva que faz os melhores bolos de cenoura do mundo. É isso, guys. For today, that's just it. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Kisses and bye. Aperta assim, tchic, tchic. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. As pessoas inventam tudo. Tem milhares de tecnologia. Menos um liquidificador e um secador que não faz silêncio. Que não faz barulho. Gente, um secador que não faz barulho. Você quer secar?
Calor.
Não, mas aí tá demais.
Seca o cabelo pelas mãos.
Você vai secar o cabelo, aí você não pode ver o vídeo, porque não dá pra ouvir nada. Bora.